So basically this is our setup today. Market has been falling from morning a lot, and then it is trying to consolidate here, and it is trying to move up from here. So I'll just wait for little retracement and then I'll be taking the trade. So this is the level where I'm thinking to take the trade. So it has taken support here, it has taken support here, it has broken this trend line as well. Okay, so that's why I'm looking for a buying opportunity. Okay, let's see. So in spot chart you can see my buying price will be somewhere around 34,300, and it is right now trading at 34,319. Let's see, if it retraces little bit I will be taking a trade. The problem of taking a trade here is that our stop loss will be little big, so that's why I'm just waiting for little retracement. Let's just see in 1 minute time frame. Already done. I'm looking for the level 3089. If it comes here also I'm fine to take a trade. So the total capital used will be around 1,20,000 for this particular trade. Let's see if it retraces a little bit, just 10-15 points. Okay, I'll be taking the trade here. Okay, we have taken the trade and our buying price is 34,310. Let's decide our stop loss and target. We have taken a trade on long side, so our buying price is 310, somewhere here, and our stop loss will be just below this. Okay, somewhere here. Stop loss is coming out to be little big, around 80 points, but that's okay. And our target we can plan above this, so somewhere at this price level around 105 points will be our target. Today market is quite weak from morning, so I'll be setting up stop loss quite small, because if it comes down from here it will be going down drastically because of the selling pressure. So I'll be setting our stop loss around 34 to 45. Okay, so let's stop loss as 34 to 85. Let's decide the target. The target that we can take is above this, somewhere, yeah, somewhere here it will be fine. I think 34,412. Limit 34,412 will be our target. So we have set up our stop loss and target. Let's see how it behaves. Okay, you can see here this is a support level. Today it had came and just touched this support level, and then it bounced back. Okay, and now again it is sort of still market is quite weak, as you can see in hourly time frame as well. Candles are still red, but I'm just waiting for the logic for taking this trade is that it should retrace little bit and then it should continue falling more. So thinking that and it has already fallen so much from morning. Okay, so as you can see it is 1.5% down from morning. So having that thought in mind, I'm just taking a trade in buying side. So in smaller time frame you can see it is taking a support here, and then it is making a price action of higher side. How it is making it, you can see here, this. Okay, so this is what it is trying to make. Let's see whether it hits our stop loss or target today. Looks like I made a mistake of writing down the stop loss. Okay, Okay, I have decided to take a short trade here rather than going long now. I will explain you why. Intraday market, let me just see how it is doing here. Okay, I think I'll be taking a short trade. Sell. 330 is our selling price, right? And let's decide our stop loss and target. This is no longer valid because of our order mistake. So now I saw this pattern, this triangle pattern being formed. That's why I went short side rather than going long. It had rejected from here, okay, and then it is trying to come down. So our selling price is 330. Let me check our order. Yeah, 330, 34, 330. Yeah, somewhere here. Let's decide our stop loss and target. Okay, stop loss will be just above this. We will not give big stop loss here, because if it moves from here, I think probably it is going to go somewhere till here. Okay, so I will keep a small stop loss, maybe around 50 points, because we have already given 700 in our last trade to market. Okay, so our stop loss is 34,378. This time I don't want to make a mistake. Let me re-verify. I'll just keep it of 45 points, not more than that. 34,375, or let's just keep it 50 points, because if it comes here and gives a spike, then it could cause an issue. Or let's see, if it falls from here, then I'll just keep somewhere here only. In 1 minute time frame, the setup looks really nice, like this triangle pattern. It is the sign of bearish. Some people call it bearish flag as well. You can see here it is falling from top right. So you can see here, this is the pole and this is the flag that gets formed. Okay, the price is moving little higher, so I'll just set up my stop loss. 34,380. Okay, 34,380. Buying price is 350. Yeah, 34,380 will be my stop loss. It will fall very sharply. If it falls from here, it will fall sharply, that's for sure. Yeah, 34,225 will be our target. Let's set up the target. 34,225, that's our target. Okay, so let's see, we hit our stop loss or target. You can see running loss is 1,000 rupees. Out of that, 700 is from the previous mistake. I went long somewhere here, and my target was somewhere here, and I kept a stop. I wanted to keep a stop loss of 245, and by mistake I kept a stop loss of 285, so it instantly triggered, and we booked a loss of 700. Then I just waited for the setup again to build up. Again, it had given our first breakout was somewhere here. Okay, this was our first breakout here. I had taken trade. Then after that, it had given a small breakout here as well. Why my thought changed is because of this resistance level. So it was not able to break, and it faced a rejection just here. Okay, so, and another thing is this trend line. Okay, so why did I go on short side is because of this bear flag pattern. So as you can see here, this is the pole and this is the flag that is being built up. So this is now it all depends. Actually I should have waited for the breakdown from this trend line, but I had taken a trade before itself. That could only be the mistake. If it breaks from here, we will be hitting our stop loss. So you can see here it is trying to move higher. We have kept our stop loss just above this. So the safer side entry would have been when it is, you know, breaking this particular trend line. That could have been safer entry, but that's fine. Let's see. As of now we have already taken the trade, so let's see and wait whether we hit our stop loss or target. Okay, so our stop loss has been hit. Today we booked a loss of 2100 rupees, and yeah, that was bound to happen. This is what happens when you change your analysis. Okay, so no worries, we just got to learn something that you should not it all had happened because of one mistake. So yeah, so basically we were long here. Okay, we were long here, we had taken a trade here, and then our target was somewhere here. I think target is still not achieved. Let me check our order. So the target was 34,412. Okay, so this was the target, 34,412, somewhere here. That's still not achieved. Its high made is 34,374, and our stop loss was 375. I guess it was 380, 6 points before our stop loss was hit. That happens even though price did not reach there. You can see here the high it had made here is 34,374, and our stop loss was 380. This happens because of low volatility. Okay, so yes, nothing can be done. That happens with the target as well sometimes. Even though our stop loss was here, and it was hit just 6 points before. Okay, anyway, now we have already taken 2 trades. I will not be taking any more trades, and today we booked a loss of 2122. Part of game, nothing can be done. We'll come back tomorrow again with a new fresh view, and then we'll try to take a new fresh trade with a fresh set of mind and fresh psychology. Okay, so thank you for watching.